Welcome to Narcissist Unmasked, where we uncover the truths about narcissism and provide insights to empower you. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both eye-opening and satisfying: 4 ways to torture a narcissist. No, we're not talking about revenge or stooping to their level. Torturing a narcissist means using their own tactics against them in a way that protects your peace while subtly exposing their vulnerabilities. It's about reclaiming your power and showing them you're no longer their puppet. So, let's get started. The first and most effective way to torture a narcissist is to ignore them. Narcissists thrive on attention, positive or negative. Your reactions fuel their ego, giving them the supply they crave. But when you ignore them, you cut off their lifeline. Ignoring doesn't just mean not responding to texts or calls. It also means refusing to engage in their drama. When they try to provoke you with insults, accusations, or manipulation, stay calm and indifferent. Silence speaks louder than words, and to a narcissist, it's excruciating. Key tips: use the grey rock method. Become uninteresting and unreactive. Respond with short, neutral answers like or okay. Maintain boundaries. Don't let their attempts to provoke you pull you back into their game. Example: imagine they're accusing you of being selfish during a conversation. Instead of defending yourself or getting emotional, calmly say, "I see how you feel that way," and leave it at that. No fuel, no fire. The second way to torture a narcissist is by exposing their insecurities subtly and tactfully. Narcissists work tirelessly to build a facade of perfection, hiding their deep-seated fears and inadequacies. When you see through that mask and call them out, they crumble inside. How to do it: compliment others in their presence. Highlight someone else's achievements, intelligence, or qualities. Narcissists hate not being the center of attention. Disagree with them respectfully. Narcissists expect you to agree with their every word. Politely challenging their opinion shows them they don't control you. Key tip: be strategic and subtle. Don't go overboard or insult them directly. Instead, let them see you're not intimidated by their presence. Example: if they boast about their knowledge on a subject, you might respond with, "That's interesting. I read a different perspective on this topic the other day. What are your thoughts on that?" This forces them to confront the idea that they're not the ultimate authority. The third and perhaps most satisfying way to torture a narcissist is by living your best life without them. Narcissists want to control and dominate your happiness. When you thrive without their involvement, it's a direct blow to their ego. Focus on self-improvement. Pursue your passions, hobbies, and goals. Celebrate your achievements. Share your successes confidently, but not with the intention of provoking them. Build a strong support system. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and see through the narcissist's games. Seeing you happy and independent makes them feel powerless. They can no longer manipulate you or take credit for your achievements, and that realization eats away at them. Imagine they see you posting about a promotion or a trip they never thought you'd take. Their inability to claim any part of your success will leave them seething. The fourth way to torture a narcissist is by standing up for yourself. Narcissists expect you to comply with their demands and tolerate their abuse. When you assert yourself, you shatter their illusion of control. Set clear boundaries. Be firm and consistent. Let them know what behavior you will and won't tolerate. Call out their manipulations. Politely point out when they gaslight, lie, or shift blame. This puts them on the defensive. Refuse to apologize unnecessarily. Narcissists want you to take the blame for everything. Only apologize when it's genuinely your fault. Don't be afraid of their tantrums. Stay calm and collected even if they react aggressively. Their anger is a sign that you're taking back your power. If they try to guilt trip you into doing something, say, "I understand that's what you want, but I've made my decision and I'm sticking to it." Torturing a narcissist isn't about revenge. It's about reclaiming your peace and independence. By ignoring their antics, exposing their insecurities, thriving without them, and standing your ground, you show them they no longer have power over you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Narcissist Unmasked for more insights and strategies. Let's continue to unmask narcissism together.